10 different types of pawns you must know. Number 1, passed pawn. A passed pawn is a pawn which doesn't have any enemy pawn on the same file or on the adjacent files. This is an example of a passed pawn. As you can see in this position, there is no pawn in front of the E pawn, also on the F and D file. Number 2, isolated pawn. A pawn with no friendly pawn on the adjacent files to support it. Here is an example of an isolated pawn. Next one is a backward pawn. A pawn which lags behind its neighboring pawns and cannot advance without getting captured. Then doubled pawns. Two pawns of the same color stacked on the same file after a capture. Tripled pawns. Three pawns of the same color on the same file. These are very weak, but such positions are possible on the board. Then next is connected pawns. Pawns of the same color adjacent or next to each other which can support each other. Next is passed connected pawns. Pawns which are connected to each other and are also passed pawns. They are extremely strong in the end games. Candidate pawn. A pawn which is close to becoming a passed pawn and has potential to advance. Outside passed pawn. A pawn far away from the main pawn structure, useful in the end games to distract the opponent's king. Last but not the least, protected passed pawn. A passed pawn which is protected by another pawn, very strong in the end game. Subscribe to the channel.